What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Columbus Aviation and another model unboxing here. Today we have the 3D Design Deck SkyWest Airlines Bombardier CRJ200 Extended Range variant. You can see there the box art. This is model 59 of 120. I picked this up from Yankee Victor 400 just a few days ago, and they shipped it out incredibly fast. Great experience. I would highly recommend buying from them. Without further ado, one thing before we hop into it, I would like to ask for you guys to just please check out some of my other stuff and subscribe. I'm currently racing Bubbles Aviation, which I'll link him down below because he makes some great content as well, to 250 subscribers, and I'm currently winning by just over a few. I'd really love it if you guys could subscribe and check out some of my other stuff. So without further ado, let's crack open this box. All right, here we have the wonderful looking 3D printed model. I typically wouldn't get 3D printed products, but 3D Design Deck exclusively 3D prints theirs, and they come out amazing. Take a look at that just next to a Gemini Jets CRJ for comparison. That looks so nice. Like, this is a CRJ700, which is why it's bigger, but they look so nice in comparison to each other. I couldn't tell you which one's better. So, yeah, let's take a look at this model. So let's start up by the nose, cone, and front end, where we've got the nose landing gear and the L1 door and that little SkyWest title. Then moving down, we've got our emergency exit row right there over the wing. We've got the registration, which is November 980 Sierra Whiskey. Then we've got the little blocked door behind the engine. SkyWest Airlines house livery, which has its nice blue, which I think looks very nice. That can also be seen on the box color. So let's take a look at it from the back side, which looks pretty nice, and the top before we get over to the other side, which also looks very nice. All right, starting from the back, we've got SkyWest livery again. Same thing with the registration, 980 Sierra Whiskey. Basically all of the same details in the little small door for the R1 door. We've got the SkyWest titles once more just up at the front, under the cockpit window. So yeah, let's take a look at the front of this model and the bottom side. Let's see if there's anything down here. Nope. All right. So I'm just going to talk about 3D Design Deck for just a few moments because this is an incredible model. You really wouldn't be able to tell just from looking at this that it's 3D printed. These are incredible quality models. Feeling it is like a little bit light, and, you know, obviously it doesn't have the same texture because this is resin, but, you know, they're incredibly highly detailed models, and I just couldn't say any better things about them. They are one of the best manufacturers out there. They take requests on their website and the Model Airliner forum. Not many people take requests. And they're just a really communicative and great brand to purchase from. They've made a lot of things. Currently, I'm on the lookout for one of those NetJets Challengers that they made. And after unboxing this, I could not be happier with them. So I'm going to be purchasing more 3D Design Deck releases in the future. That's all I really have to say today. This is a great model. I'm glad to have unboxed and reviewed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe so I can beat Bubbles Aviation. Columbus Aviation, signing out.